A committed group of students designed and constructed the world record-breaking solar car called SunSwift 7. At an astounding average speed of 52.8 miles per hour, this technical marvel holds the Guinness World Record for the fastest electric vehicle to cover 621 miles on a single charge. This amazing achievement is made possible by the lightweight design of SunSwift 7, weighing just 1,102 pounds, and the highly efficient solar panels mounted on the roof and hood. The car's success extends beyond its speed. In the highly demanding cruiser class of the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge, SunSwift 7 emerged victorious in October 2023. This triumph demonstrates not just its racing ability, but also its usefulness and effectiveness in practical situations. Swift 7 provides an insight into the direction of sustainable transportation and proves students' creative potential. The Pelican Cargo, the world's largest zero-emission cargo aircraft, was unveiled by California-based Pika, a pioneer in autonomous electric aviation. It is the first in its class to fly autonomously. With 66 cubic feet of cargo space, this game-changer has an amazing 200-mile range and 400 pounds of payload capacity. For simple cargo handling, the effective design utilizes a nose-loading mechanism and a sliding tray. The goal of this innovation is to transform express logistics networks, with a focus on helping remote communities. Pelican Cargo promises timely and dependable service. It is both faster than ground transportation and much less expensive than conventional air cargo. After receiving more than 80 pre-orders from launch customers in North America and Europe, the Pelican Cargo is currently undergoing testing and is expected to revolutionize autonomous cargo delivery. With Fat Bike skis, you can turn your fat bike into a wintertime snow adventure vehicle. Forget the limitations caused by crust, deep snow, or uneven ground. With these unique skis that mount to your front wheel, your fat bike can become a stable and adaptable snow machine. Easily navigate technical single tracks, carve through powder, float on top of the crust, and conquer any snow condition. Fat bike skis are remarkably versatile. In contrast to traditional skis, they perform well on groomed trails. The wide-profile tracks keep you from sinking in, and they provide the same agility and speed as summertime trails. Additionally, because of their universal design, they work with the majority of contemporary fat bikes and mountain bike forks. All you have to do is replace your front wheel with a fat bike ski to start exploring an entirely new world of winter activities. Together, Doosan Mobility Innovation, GTI Energy, and SoCal Gas RD&D demonstrated a hydrogen fuel cell drone. Through this partnership, the potential of DMI's DS-30 drone, a leader in flight duration and payload capacity, is brought to light. With its 11-pound payload capacity and 120-minute flight time, the hydrogen fuel cell-powered DS-30 is perfect for jobs like pipeline inspections. In order to use this technology for pipeline inspections, SoCal Gas envisions that the DS-30 will take high-resolution pictures and produce 3D topographical models, which will offer valuable information about the condition of the pipeline. This project not only increases pipeline safety, but also highlights the potential uses of hydrogen beyond conventional ones, demonstrating its versatility as a clean fuel source for the future. The Envo UPT is a Canadian-made, patent-pending electric vehicle design intended to be a versatile and clean substitute for conventional vehicles such as cars, trucks, and UTVs. With its cutting-edge features, this four-wheeled micro-mobility platform targets specific markets and demographics. With an adjustable handlebar, grip, and steering for a customized ride, the Envo UPT places a high priority on comfort. Because of its modular design, it can be assembled in a variety of ways to meet different needs, and the integrated lights improve operational safety. A versatile bumper adds more functionality, and the dual-use footrest is a unique feature that maximizes ergonomics. According to Envo, the YTech is a design and function game changer. It targets a specific market and costs $10,500. The groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing air taxi prototype from Beta is intended for future urban air mobility. With 8 strong motors and rotors, this 4,000-pound monster is the largest electric aircraft to take to the air, according to Beta Technologies. To perform VTOL like a helicopter, the rotors tilt while in flight. When it shifts to forward flight, the rotors tilt forward, helping the wings produce lift more effectively, much like in a conventional airplane. In flight, this design uses less energy. The prototype places a high priority on passenger comfort and has a roomy cabin that can hold up to 6 people. The air taxi, which emits no emissions when in operation, is one of Beta Technologies' green credentials. This air taxi opens the door for environmentally friendly urban air travel. Pricing is not available. SpaceX's Starship accomplished a number of noteworthy firsts when it launched successfully on its 3rd integrated flight test on March 14, 2024. With 33 Raptor engines, the massive Super Heavy booster roared to life and unleashed a full-duration ascent burn. The Starship itself separated perfectly and, for the first time, reached its intended orbital velocity. This flight was significant because the booster made an attempt at landing following its strong ascent, a sign of full reusability. Unfortunately, there were some issues with the landing. Several engines fired during the booster's first landing burn, but it eventually underwent an abrupt and quick dismantling at an altitude of about 462 meters. The booster failed, but the Starship spacecraft carried on with its mission. It carried out the first ever controlled re-entry from space for a Starship vehicle, gathering valuable data on how the vehicle manages the intense heat and G-forces experienced during atmospheric return. For future designs, the demise of Starship yielded invaluable data. Kilo La Bagnole is a distinctive electric microcar with a minimalist design that prioritizes affordability and functionality. It is designed for light off-road excursions and urban commutes. Its small size makes it simple to maneuver through parking lots and city streets, and its electric motor guarantees economical and environmentally responsible operation. La Bagnole is small in stature, but it packs a punch with features like all-wheel drive and high ground clearance that make it a great vehicle for light off-roading. Its versatility, depending on local laws, allows for potential use with or without a driver's license, broadening its appeal to a wider audience. La Bagnole lowers the barrier to electric mobility with a starting price of $10,990, but official confirmation is still pending on details like its precise all-terrain capabilities and licensing requirements. In the world of wearable technology, the much-awaited Samsung Galaxy Ring is set to revolutionize the industry. Details are still being confirmed, but it was briefly hinted at the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event. Rumor has it that the device will launch in July 2024 and cost $300 or more. With features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a unique vitality score, the Galaxy Ring focuses on health and wellness and gives you a comprehensive picture of your well-being. Along with smooth interoperability between the Galaxy Ring and other Samsung devices, smart features are also anticipated. The Galaxy Ring is a stylish accessory that comes in a variety of colors and sizes, making it appropriate for most wrists. A promising addition to Samsung's wearables is the Galaxy Ring. In the market for commercial unmanned aerial systems, Avidroni Aerospace's 210 Terraliters cargo drone stands out for its long-range, heavy lifting capabilities. With a maximum range of 62 miles and an impressive 35-pound payload capacity, it is ideal for automated last-mile delivery. For exceptional stability in a variety of weather conditions, and to ensure smooth and reliable deliveries, this environmentally friendly electric drone utilizes a special tandem rotor design. The G4 autopilot system, exclusive to Aviadrone, allows the 210 TL to operate without the need for specialized pilots. Fully autonomous flight operations, such as touch-and-go deliveries, long-distance cruising, and even targeted surveillance missions, are managed by this clever system. The 210 teraliters is very versatile for a range of deployment scenarios because it breaks down into 3 parts for user convenience, making it simple to transport and assemble quickly on site.